Alrighty then, hey guys, the One Good Road here for another video. I thought, as I'm touring here currently in Australia for World Bicycle Relief for the charity, I would show you how to fold your tires, your touring tires, from basically this down to this, and it'll help with well, you know, saving amount of space while touring. And it's actually really simple to do, and it saves you money having to spend on say a regular folding tire. So yeah, let me just put the camera down, grab these. Okay, so basically you're going to need some zippy ties and some maybe a strap, and we're going to get the tire basically down to that size. You can't really get them smaller than this, and this is, you know, not recommended for a long amount of time. You do want to take them out after a certain amount of time, because otherwise you start to damage probably the tread, because you're stretching it weirdly and increasing it a little weirdly. But for short, like I would say like maybe a couple weeks, you know, 3 weeks, this is pretty good, and you just let it out for maybe a day. But that's just my recommendation. You can do whatever. You don't even have to do that if you don't want to. So anyway, I'll show you how to do it. If you got a regular size tire, okay, 700 by 35. See, this is what I'm using. And you fold it like this, and now we got an infinity loop. And there's two ways. Most people will fold a tire, and you'll get it into this two-loop system. Now, you can do this, but I wouldn't generally recommend it because it's not going to be as small compared with this. If that makes any sense. See, it's a little bit wider. So what you can do is fold it again, basically. So now what we're going to do is make a little ring like this and a bigger ring underneath it. Try and make sure you don't get so many creases in it, so you can fold it down and compact it down enough and slot everything together. Anyway, so we got a little ring like that. Hopefully that's clear. And then we're going to fold this bigger ring again, like we just did, to create a loop again. And then you fold it inwards, okay? And that's generally how you do it. I mean, I did it in the bike shop super quick before, and I didn't fold it perfectly, but it does work. But if you spend a little bit more time on it, you can get more perfected at it. But that's generally how you do it. That's it. That's how you fold your tire, your touring, regular bicycle touring tire, or tire in general, down to this size. And you don't need foldable tires, to be entirely honest, if you can get them down to that size, you know. So it works in a pinch. That's pretty good. And you just put zippy ties on either end, or a strap. Compact it down if you can, and that's it. That's how you make your touring tire, a regular size tire, from that. So hopefully this video was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll have other videos out soon, because I'm currently stuck in this town of Ceduna at the moment, waiting for something to arrive. So yeah, I'll have some other videos out for the channel. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.